Welcome back to Be Easy English. I'm Bella,
And I'm Jake.
and today we're talking about 3 different ways to talk about habits in English.
3 ways. Not 1, not 2, 3.
And by the end of this, you'll know exactly which one to use.
Okay, before we jump in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button.
We upload a brand new episode every single day, so you can practice with us daily.
Yeah, every day. Like even the days I don't want to record.
Even the days you show up late because you got lost again.
Hey, that was one time.
That was 3 times this month.
Okay, fair.
How are you today, by the way? You look tired.
I am tired. My dog woke me up at 5.
Oh no.
He just stared at me, like his face right next to my face.
That's so creepy.
It really is. What about you?
I'm good. I already had 2 coffees.
2? It's not even 10.
Listen, this is a problem for future Bella.
Right.
Okay, so quick thing before we start. This channel is still pretty new.
Yeah, we're building this little community from scratch.
And honestly, every single one of you who's here right now, it means a lot.
It really does. We're posting daily because we believe in this.
We believe English doesn't have to feel like school.
It can feel like a chat with friends.
So thank you for being here, truly.
Okay, enough being soft. Tell me about your week.
My week. Let me think.
Anything weird happen?
Actually, yes. I saw my old neighbor from when I was a kid.
Oh, wow.
At the supermarket. I hadn't seen her in like 15 years.
That's wild. Does she recognize you?
At first, no. Then she said, "Oh, you used to play in our garden."
Aw,
And I was like, "Yes, I used to do that all the time."
used to.
Used to. Every day, basically. My sister and I used to climb their tree.
Wait, you used to climb trees? You?
Yes, me. I wasn't always this clumsy.
I find that hard to believe.
I would climb up, my sister would climb after me, and we'd stay up there for hours.
That's so cute.
What about you? Did you climb stuff as a kid?
Oh, yeah. I used to ride my bike everywhere.
Like everywhere, everywhere?
Everywhere. I would leave the house at 9 in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
My mom would call my name from the porch around dinner time.
Classic.
I usually came home covered in dirt.
Do you still ride your bike?
Not really. I drive now.
See, that changed.
Yeah, I used to ride a bike. Now I drive a car.
And I used to climb trees, now I trip over my own feet.
Progress.
Big progress.
My grandma, though, she still rides her bike every morning.
No way, really?
Every morning. To the bakery, same time, same route.
That's beautiful.
She rides her bike, she gets bread, she comes home.
She rides her bike, present tense.
Right, every day.
Okay.
What's that face?
Nothing. I'm noticing something.
Tell me.
Did you hear what we just did for the last 2 minutes?
Talked about our childhoods?
Yes, but how?
With habits.
Exactly. We used 3 different patterns.
Oh, wow, you're right.
I said I used to climb trees,
I said I would leave at 9.
and then she rides her bike every morning.
3 patterns all about habits. That's our whole episode.
So today we're breaking down those 3.
Used to, would, and the simple present.
And listen, if this stuff confuses you, you're not weird.
This trips up native speakers too.
Honestly, when I was learning English, this took me forever.
Same with my students.
We're gonna take it slow, 1 pattern at a time.
Together, easy pace.
Okay, let's start with the first one, used to.
This is the most common way learners talk about old habits.
Right, so used to plus a verb.
Used to plus the basic form of the verb.
Like, I used to live in a small town.
I used to play soccer.
She used to work at a cafe.
What does it actually mean though? Like, when do we use it?
Good question. It means something was true in the past, but it's not true anymore.
Ah, that's the key part, not anymore.
Yes, there's a clear contrast with now.
So if I say I used to drink coffee, what does that tell you?
It tells me you don't drink coffee anymore.
Exactly.
Something changed.
Give me another example.
My sister used to be afraid of dogs.
But now.
Now she has 3.
3?
3 big ones.
Wow, she really changed.
She really did. So used to shows that contrast clearly.
Okay, can I throw in a tricky word?
Go for it.
We say used to describes a discontinued habit.
Wait, what does discontinued mean?
Discontinued just means it stopped. It's not happening anymore.
Ah, okay. So a discontinued habit is one that ended.
Right, like I used to smoke. That habit is discontinued.
Got it. Simple.
Now, here's where people make a mistake.
What mistake?
People say, I used to smoking,
Oh, no.
with the ing ending.
That's wrong.
Very wrong.
It's I used to smoke, just the basic verb.
Used to plus base verb, always.
Used to plus base verb. That's the rule.
Memorize that one.
Another example. I used to be shy.
I used to live with my parents.
We used to walk to school.
They used to have a cat.
All past habits or past states. All finished.
And one more thing, it works for both actions and states.
Yes, that's important.
Like, I used to play tennis is an action,
But I used to be afraid of dogs. That's a state.
a feeling, not an action.
And both are fine.
Both work with used to.
This is actually one reason I love used to.
It's flexible.
Very flexible. You can use it for almost any past habit or past situation.
Quick recap on this one.
Sure, used to plus base verb.
For old habits or states,
That are not true anymore.
easy.
Okay, pattern number 2. Would.
This one's a little trickier.
A little, but not bad.
So would plus a verb also describes past habits.
Right, like every summer we would visit my grandma.
Or when I was young, I would wake up early.
Same idea, repeated action in the past.
But here's the catch.
What's the catch?
Would only works for actions, not states.
Oh, this is the part that confuses people.
It's the part that confused me when I started teaching.
So I can say I used to be shy,
Yes.
but I cannot say I would be shy.
No, that sounds wrong.
Because be shy is a state, a feeling.
Not an action.
But I would walk to school is fine.
Because walking is an action.
Okay, give me a tricky word again.
We say would needs a recurring action.
What does recurring mean?
Recurring means it happens again and again.
Ah, repeating.
Yeah, like a pattern.
So a recurring action is something you did over and over.
Exactly, not just once.
Got it. So would needs repetition.
Yes, and usually a time frame helps.
Like every Saturday, my dad would make pancakes.
Pancakes.
Or when I was 10, I would ride my bike to the park.
That's a perfect would sentence.
Why?
Because it's a repeated action with a clear time frame.
Right, when I was 10 sets the stage.
Without a time frame, would can sound weird.
Yeah, if I just said I would ride my bike, it sounds incomplete.
Like the listener's waiting for more.
Okay, let me test you.
Test me.
If I said when I was a kid I would have brown hair, is that right?
No.
Why not?
Because have brown hair is a state.
Bingo.
I'd have to say I used to have brown hair.
Exactly. Have there is a state.
But when I was a kid, I would play outside works.
Because play is an action.
Yes.
You're getting it.
Quick recap.
Sure. Would plus base verb.
For repeated past actions only.
Not states.
And usually with a time frame.
Okay, ready for pattern 3?
Hit me.
This one's the simplest, the simple present.
For habits that are still happening.
Right, things you still do.
Like, I drink coffee every morning.
Twice every morning, in my case.
Right.
She rides her bike every day.
Like my grandma.
Like your grandma. Present tense because it's still her habit.
Easy.
Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Ooh, you want to do the mistake section?
Yeah, I made all of these myself, by the way.
Oh, this will be good.
Mistake number 1, saying I used to smoking instead of I used to smoke.
Classic.
I did this for years.
Years?
Years. The rule is base verb, not ing.
Why is it wrong?
Because used to already has the verb form built in. You don't need ing.
Got it.
Mistake number 2, using would for states,
Like, I would be tall when I was young.
which makes no sense.
None.
Use used to for states. I used to be tall. Well, I was never tall, but you get it.
Mistake 3?
Mixing past and present.
Ooh, what do you mean?
Saying I used to drink coffee every morning.
But you do drink coffee every morning
Right, so used to is wrong here.
because the habit hasn't stopped.
Exactly. If it's still happening, use simple present.
I drink coffee every morning.
That's correct.
Mistake 4?
Forgetting that used to needs a contrast with now.
But if nothing has changed, don't use used to.
Right, there has to be a but now it's different.
That's the heart of it.
Okay, friends, we've covered a lot today.
A lot.
And I want to see if it actually stuck for you.
Yeah, let's do a quick test together.
Just a few sentences. We'll do them slowly.
You can pause whenever you need to think.
Quiz Lab. Friends, pause if you need to think.
First one, sentence 1. I used to live in a small town. Sentence 2, I used to living in a small town. Which one is right?
The first one. I used to live in a small town.
Why?
Because used to takes the base verb, not ing.
And if you pick the second one, totally normal mistake. Almost everyone does that at first.
Next one.
Sentence 1. When I was young, I would be very shy. Sentence 2. When I was young, I used to be very shy.
The second one.
Tell us why.
Because be shy is a state. Would doesn't work with states.
Use used to for states.
Okay, next.
Sentence 1. She rides her bike to work every day. Sentence 2. She used to ride her bike to work every day.
This one depends.
It does.
If she still rides her bike, sentence 1 is correct.
Simple present.
If she stopped, sentence 2 is correct.
Both can be right. It's about the situation.
Last one.
Sentence 1. Every summer we would go camping. Sentence 2. Every summer we would be camping.
The first one.
Why?
Because would plus base verb, not would been.
Right.
And we have a clear time frame, every summer.
You all did great.
Seriously, if you got even 2 right, you're doing well.
This stuff takes practice.
Okay, quick recap of today.
3 patterns.
1. Used to plus base verb for old habits or states that aren't true anymore.
2. Would plus base verb for repeated past actions only, not states.
3. Simple present for habits that are still happening.
That's it.
That's everything.
And we spent hours putting together a practice sheet for today's lesson.
Yeah, it's free, it's in the description.
Carefully made for everyone watching.
We designed it to feel like the paid material you'd find online.
But free.
But free. Go grab it.
And if this helped you today, hit that like button.
Drop a comment too. Tell us one habit you used to have as a kid.
Ooh, I want to read those.
Me too.
And subscribe if you haven't yet. New episode every day.
Every single day.
We'll be here.
Free practice sheet in the description. Go test yourself.
We'll see you in the next conversation.